Hello, mates. Welcome to the Temperate Rainforest. I'm Anna.
And I'm Megan. Besides here in southern Australia, the temperate rainforest is located in several other places.
Let's start off with the climate. The climate here is mild, consisting of temperatures from 5 degrees to 20 degrees Celsius throughout the year. Winters are rainy and summers are foggy. We receive 140 to 170 inches of rain annually.
As you can see, we have abundance of plants here in the temperate rainforest. The most common plants you'll see consist of the following: salmonberry,
Coastal redwood,
cattail,
western skunk cabbage,
fireweed,
Crikey! Look at the size of that croc! Just kidding, they don't live here. But some common creatures that do live here are
badger,
wombat,
wallaby,
elk,
fox. I know what you're thinking. What does this place even look like? Take a look at some breathtaking photography.
Let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loved me till the end. People let me.
However, things aren't always as peachy in the temperate rainforest as they are in the pictures.
Climate change can change the tree and forest distribution in not only the temperate rainforest, but in all biomes.
Some plant species have trouble adapting to the changing conditions.
With the distribution of trees and the plant species having trouble adapting, the biodiversity in the temperate rainforest will change.
There will be different trees and plants and less of the native ones. The temperate rainforest is full of mystery.
We hope you'll come explore it with us soon.
See you later! Summers are rainy. Oh, God. Off with the climate. The climate here is mild.
Take a look at some of this breathtaking.
No. Go.
With the the biodiversity in the trees and the plant species having trouble adapting. Oh my God!
There will be different trees and There will be different trees and. Oh my God! What? The temperate rainforest is full of. What are summers like in the temperate rainforest?
How many inches of rainfall does the temperate rainforest get annually?